Alright guys, we're out here on this public land area. It's a bow only, so you only have to wear an orange hat. It's pretty good for gun season. These deer are not pressured very often. This is a big, huge area for waterfowl hunters, so a lot of guys just come out here and do that. It's pretty thick back there, so we're going in there just kind of just doing a stock hunt, and it's going to be pretty fun. Hoping we see something. I was back there right before I got Matt, and it's looks like a herd of cattle went through all the tall grass from all the deer tracks and a few rubs here and there, so we'll be hoping to see something. We're gonna make some noise back there and get the deer moving tonight.
Me and Nick have decided to head a little south of the cities here, the spot we kind of scouted during the summer a little bit. We didn't do a whole lot of scouting down here though. It was kind of one of our last spots and didn't put a whole lot of effort, but we decided today would be a good day to give it a shot. Nick went a little walking down a little farther, but I couldn't give up all the sun we were seeing up front here. We had a nice rub line, and there's a scrape about 10 yards to my right here. And just the sign we've been seeing is looking good, so I probably won't be doing a whole lot of camera filming much today, but that's why I got the GoPro, so we'll see what happens, and if we don't get anything moving pretty soon here, we're gonna jump up and try to push again, go a little deeper.
Alright guys, so we're back here in Jordan again. Day 2 of hunting this land, and looks like we have a guest. Well, not a guest, someone else is out here, so we're just gonna try to sneak in, be as quiet as possible, and hopefully not screw up this guy's hunt too. Hopefully I don't walk in on him. With the way the wind's blowing, I really want to try to get back to where I was yesterday, and I can maybe hopefully get a shot at that doe. So yeah, so we're gonna try to sneak in there, get set up, and we should get to go. I remembered my tripod, so we can have you guys set up too. Alright, see you guys when we get. What's up guys? So we just got in here, and I had a deer within less than 20 yards shooting yesterday. A doe, and she was walking this way out of the thick. There's a rub in there that you can tell it's like fresh. They're still on it. So I got deer traffic through here. So I'm sitting like
central Minnesota. It's a spot where we were at, and had a couple of does come walking out close to last night. My dad's been hunting this spot a little more than I have, and he's found a few spots for us to set up. So me and him are about 30 yards apart, overlooking this little opening right here where he said they've been kind of feeding. We're probably about 40 yards from some pretty heavy, thick bedding area that they're kind of working out of, it sounds like. So we're hoping to bring him into range. Nick is about 200, 300 yards to my southeast here. And so we're kind of trying to spread out and watch over this bedding area the best we can, but hopefully you guys enjoyed little shenanigans we had to deal with walking in here. It's a little secret little passage. If we don't take that little tunnel we walk through, we have to walk about a mile and a half back here. So you pick your poison, you walk through the water, you walk a mile and a half. So that's about all we got. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of filming, just since this tree's kind of small and it's kind of set up with everything in the way here. So maybe a little bit, but I got the GoPro, so if we got anything coming out, I can do that just in case. What's up, guys? So just got set up in here. One with Matt and his dad, Brian. We're out here thinking. Not too sure where we are, but Savage area. We're on this public land spot. I guess Brian's been on this spot for a really long time, so he's had some good luck out here before. Area right off to my right behind me, you can't hunt it, so really open. I'm just sitting here hoping that the deer are headed down in there, cross over this creek that's right off to my right, and that runs right behind me. And I guess they have deer on in front of me. Follow that bed down over there. Across this open field, so hopefully some dry smoke between bedding zones. Crosses right through this creek. Hopefully we get a shot on one tonight. It's a pretty nice day. Deercast was saying that it's a very good day to be out in the woods, so we're out here trying to give it a shot. Upgraded some equipment. Got climbing sticks and a different little stand. Not too sure on the stand yet, but the climbing sticks work amazing. I mean, it took 10 minutes to get the stand up, so nothing beats that. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. I'll update you guys here in a little bit. Hopefully deer start moving soon. That possum was huge. I think that was a possum. Well, I haven't seen anything since that dog. Alright, guys. Shoot. I don't have my camera arm, so I'm shaking like a flippin' leaf right now. It's about 4:45, right at sunset here. Doe came walking out, and she worked her way in and probably got about, she was probably about 20 some yards. And I just flipping drilled her. Absolutely drilled. Oh, I'm sorry, it's so shaky, I can't do nothing about it. My dad got to watch too, because he's right to my right, so he saw the whole thing unfold. So we're gonna be getting down pretty soon and going to check for blood and whatnot, but other than that, alright, there we go, boys, let's go. I can't tell if the GoPro was on or not. I tried turning it on, but I don't know if it was on or recorded. So hopefully it got something, but if not, it's alright too. Alright, I'm sorry for oh crap. Alright. I'll keep you guys updated. What's up guys? So I just texted. He just shot a doe. So pretty excited for him. I believe that's his first bow hunting, like bow deer. He hasn't shot a deer with that bow before, so that's pretty awesome. It's just been quiet over here. So probably in the next few minutes start packing my things up and then heading over and help Matt track his deer. So yeah, congrats, man. That's freaking awesome. Matt finally got one. So I'll bring you guys with. We'll go out and track here in a few minutes. See you guys then.
We got some tracking this deer now. We got some pretty good blood right about here. She's dumping. I think just right about where she cut right when she took off running. Laying pretty good on these branches right here.
Nice. Oh, that's good blood right there.
Got some more right down here. I hear it.
Yes.
She's done.
Man, that's a nice sized deer. Well done, Matt. Nice shot.
Yes, it was a little high. Yeah, it was a little high.
It's all right. All right. Man, she's big.
Pretty bright. Alright. Well, first bow kill in the books, first saddle kill in the books. Pretty excited now. I think it's all ready to start going now. Now I'm cruising.
Yeah, man, that's awesome. Well done. Well done. All right, what do you say we drag her out of this thick, gnarly stuff here, and
Yeah.
she found some super thick stuff and lay down and